Word on the street is that recruitment's getting an AI makeover. Now, I got an opinion on it. Let's get to it. All right, gang. So AI is upon us. I am surprised, sometimes alarmed, sometimes stymied when I hear of the ways in which people use AI. I was talking to a colleague not long ago, and she shared that her son uses AI to chat with his girlfriend sometimes, right? Like just like super quick. It's less time for him to provide that a response via AI, which I thought was like, what? Someone may be texting with me using AI? Get out of here. But it is upon us. We cannot avoid it. And quite frankly, the younger generation is using it more and more and more. And so it are people who work inside human resources. You know, one of the quickest ways that software is usually adopted inside human resources is through recruitment. Recruitment is kind of like a way people are always trying to figure out ways to automate it and to streamline it and to make it less time intensive for human beings. Well, AI is one of those resources. And here's what I think about it. There are a lot of software that are coming out that are touting that AI can help streamline and supercharge the way in which you do your recruitment. And I would caution you to think about how you train your AI and prepare your AI to carry your brand and your touch forward to the applicant who could be a client in the future, who could be an employee in the future. It does matter. I don't believe you should reject the presence of AI because there are some ways that AI can be incredibly helpful. So for instance, AI could be helpful in the initial screening process if you put in the appropriate attributes, but you also help AI understand the intangibles that may be present within an applicant's resume. AI can be helpful in summarizing and organizing which candidates meet the minimum qualifications versus which candidates are not as aligned with the qualifications, still allowing you to see all of the applicants, but to just supercharge the process, especially for high volume recruitments. Think about how many people apply for an entry-level position at the Nikes, at the City of Portland, at the Adidas, right? Like there are certain brands where they get thousands of applications per opening that they have. So I'm not against AI, but we should be super thoughtful about what it is we are automating with artificial intelligence and what things we need to keep for the human experience. So for instance, there shouldn't be, there's no replacement for empathy. There's no replacement for strategic assessments, right? To evaluate whether or not your approach to strategy is going to translate into being effective inside our ecosystem. So AI is upon us. We should not wholesale resist it or reject it, which I think I'm hearing a lot of people are like, no, we're never going to do that. Be open to it, but also know that AI is what you make it, and it is never a replacement for the human touch, the human experience. All right. So are you using AI? Do you have a perspective on AI and human resources? Jump in the chat. We want to hear about it. And as always, let us know if you've got questions. Until next time, thanks for watching Word on the Street.